Grade 11 Pakistan Studies SLO 311 Distribution of Power with reference to 1973 Constitution, Defense, Foreign Policy, Finance, Health, Sanitation, Education and Tourism. In this SLO, we will discuss that how the powers are distributed according to 1973 Constitution. As you all know that Pakistan is a federal parliamentary republic with power shared between the federal government and the provinces. It is the nature of federal constitution that according to the federal constitution, powers are divided between central and provinces. So since this is a federal constitution, so powers are clearly divided between central and provinces. Under the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, division of powers between the provinces and the central has been made on the basis of following lists. Number 1, federal list, second is provincial list, and the third is concurrent list. Let me discuss one by one. So, federal list, in the federal list, such subjects are included which the federal government has the power to legislate. For example, defense, foreign policy, and finance. They are federal subjects, and instead it is the federal government which is having the power to legislate on these subjects: defense, foreign policy, and finance. On these subjects, federal government can only legislate. Next is provincial list. In provincial list, such subjects are included on which the provinces has the power to legislate. They are health, sanitation, tourism, and so on. These subjects, health, sanitation, and tourism, only provincial assemblies has having the power to legislate. So federal government cannot interfere in these matters. These are the subjects which are assigned to provincial government only. Provincial government has the authority to legislate on these issues. Third is concurrent list. Concurrent list in concurrent list, such subjects are included on which federal government and provincial government together legislate. Now the concurrent list is abolished and mostly it's transferred to provincial list. So after the 18th amendment, practically we are having only two lists, that are federal and provincial lists. So dear students, it's all about the distribution of power with reference to 1973 Constitution. Home task for you, please note down what is the federal system of government. Thank you students for watching.